Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Real Deal Hustle. Currently, I have $7,671 invested. I am not a financial advisor, so please take what I say with a grain of salt. Please do your own due diligence on the stocks that I am going to talk about today in this video. SBE. SBE is a play that I've been in since $13. I've purchased and sold this stock multiple times for multiple gains. What I'm going to do now with this stock is I decided to do 4 options on this stock. So 4 contract options for valued over $1,900. It's cheaper to do it that way than to buy 400 shares for this, but that would give me 400 shares at a cheaper price. So if you're interested in getting in this play before the merger, and if you don't have the cash to flat out buy 100 shares, I would do contracts on this with options. Now, please keep in mind that it's high risk with options. Options, you can lose a lot of money. So you're going to have to keep this until February the 10th. That's when I'm going to sell it. The merger date is actually February the 11th. I learned a big lesson on keeping contracts until the exact merger date, because they usually fall, man, and they fall hard like a brick. So my plan is to carry out these contracts until February the 10th, and then I'm going to sell the contracts, and I'm going to watch for the high with Switchback Energy, and then I'm going to place multiple puts on it so I can make money on the way down after the merger is announced and the ticker symbol changes to charge point. So right now, Stock Invest is considering this a strong buy. So this is a strong buy. I'm telling you guys, I believe that when it turns to charge point, that this is going to be a $60+ share going into the summer. So I really believe that by the end of the year, this is going to be worth over $150. So when I ride this sucker down after the merger, I'm going to rebuild my position in this stock. I think I'm down to 1 share because I actually sold some more shares on the way up and decided to purchase 1 when it went down, just so I'll know where I want to start my price at when I start to build my position. But they feel like this stock is really going to go up. So look, if you're interested in getting into Switchback Energy, I would get in it now. I mean, I wouldn't wait. I don't believe that it's going to get back down to $36 or $38. I believe that right now where you're seeing it at, I believe it's over 40. I think it's going to stay over 40, and it's going to continue to climb all the way up until who knows what. A lot of people are predicting this stock to get up to like $50 to $55 before the merger. Look, I'll know on February the 10th because I'm not going to stick it out to the actual merger date, and which is February the 11th. It opened up today at $38. That's when I purchased the share that I have. The high is $40.75. The low is $38.20, and a 52-week high is $49.48. Now the volume is very low, only 2.59 million. So that's not a lot, but look at the market cap, 1.6 billion. Wow. So this has a very large market cap, a lot of room for this stock to grow. This is not one of the little boys. This is one of the big boys. And when it switches to charge point, it's going to have a little dip. I don't expect for it to dip a lot. So if you do decide to follow what I say and put a put on it, look, remember, do your own due diligence first. Remember, it's on you to risk your own money, but I wouldn't wait long. Now, the next stock that I'm talking about is CTRM. CTRM is a stock that I talked about, I believe, in my first video. And as you can see, like I said, I did add more to my position. I'm sitting with 1,401 shares. Currently, it's at 69.93 cents. So the stock is very low. If you want to get in this stock, the time is now because I believe it's going to triple. Stock Invest has it as a strong buy, people. I mean, this is the time to get in. They bought another vessel, so they're starting to get a lot of good news about this stock. The press is starting to catch on. The volume is starting to go up and up in this stock, so it's more and more people buying in the stock, and it's starting to get a lot more belief. I mean, look, it was moving on Wednesday 11.80% between high and low, so that's good. You know, that's a good percent for the stock to continue to move from high to low. Sooner or later, they feel like it's going to break the trend line of 0.72 cent. And when it does that, it's going to continue to rise after that. I believe that the resistance of this stock, if I'm correct, is at 69 cents. So that's a good thing. So, I don't believe that I'm going to lose money right now, currently where it's at. I believe that it only has a way to go up. So I'm thinking about even adding more to my position of 69 cent right now. So if it stays 69 cent tomorrow, I think that I'm going to add another 100 shares to this, because look, I'm gonna be kicking myself if I don't get it up to at least 1,500 to 2,000 shares going into the weekend. My expectations for that stock decline is hopefully soon. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.